to open up another box of this beautiful set. Dragon Ball Super, Vermilion Bloodlines. We're gonna see. I don't know what the chances are of us pulling 2 secret rares, but we're gonna try it out. I mean, why not us, right? Set that over there. Keep on going.
Let's flip them around.
Flip them around, got it. Ooh, already see that SBR Garlic Jr. Ooh, super pretty. Look at that. Oh, look at that. The artwork on these things. I mean, they are just the best.
Hey everybody, we're back. Pillage and Plunder with Spider-Man, Venom, Absolute Carnage.
Here, got one. Okay, got Golden Revenge, Death Ball, and then look at this. Holy crap. Oh my gosh. Just so sick.
Is that the one that you were looking for?
No. Trust me. When we get to that one, if we get to that one, you'll know. We're trying to get that secret rare Broly, the red one, and he is so good looking. So there's the leader card. That one is, a lot of people are really digging the swap engine for Broly. Gives you crit, super nice. Oh, you want to talk about pulling that card? That's the card we're looking for. That is a secret rare, frickin' going for 180. The best card in the set, hands down. I wanted to look at it, but I will make sure that you guys can see that baby. That is one of the most beautiful cards right there. Look at that thing.
That is nice.
Ooh, oh, just the color. Oh, man. Alright, I mean, like, at this point, like, I could just stop, but let's just keep going. You know, we got the secret rare, we got the best card.
On Pillage and Plunder, y'all.
Hey,
Only on Pillage
it's that good luck charm. We already got the secret rare, you know, we could stop there. It basically paid for this entire box.
Awesome. Alright. Booster pack number 2, everybody. Okay. Let's see what we got. Feel good about this one. Feel good about it. I can't see it yet. Oh, yes. Excellent. Oh my gosh. Bro. I'm gonna let Tony tell you what we pulled because he's gonna be pleased with that. Go ahead, take a look at that, man. Alright.
Oh, I see him. I see him. We got him, guys.
We got him.
We got him. Oh my god, I am so freaking happy. And, like I asked for, Venom. Just a good old fashioned
Everything
Venom.
you wanted, one pack.
And one pack.
It's good.
And Black Cat. I love Black Cat. Even
Oh.
though she's like a Catwoman ripoff. But
That's your booster pack. WizKids showed you some love with that.
wow. Love you, WizKids. I mean, I got gorilla hands, but I think I got it. Just want to show it in this can what we pulled here.
Definitely. That's a big deal.
Nice. We got him.
The symbiote god.
We got the symbiote god, guys. We just pulled him. And you know what? I want to tell you guys, Facebook stream, we never pull the best one on a live stream on Facebook. Almost never. It always ends up on our YouTube on Thursdays. But hey man, we pulled it all. That's it. I'm super excited. I'm ready to go. I can go home now.